What's up? PSE to the I die, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, we finna go hard up in this bitch, mixing down this song. Y'all get ready for the album, man. I'm kinda in my zone right now, you know what I'm saying? My niggas in that zone too. You know what I'm saying? Check it out. Fucked up. That's how we get down, man.
Ain't nothing to it.
That's how we get down, bro. We just trying to keep pushing, baby. Got some good news today, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's time to work. Ain't got no time for slacking. We don't like slackers. We kick them back up, you know what I mean? Dropping these motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Hey, 100 gonna be the one, bruh.
100, you think 100 gonna do it? I think Superman gonna do it.
Superman gonna do it too. Man, you know what? We got so many
money. Man, you can't even fuck with, none of y'all can fuck with that.
Man.
Whenever y'all think y'all can fuck with that, let's see.
Man, 100, man. I'm gonna tell you like this.